There's a lot of scrubbing going on here. I think I went a bit hard on the brush. Oh, feels smooth though. Feels smooth, probably because I haven't left any skin left. Hi guys, my name's Simon and welcome to my new YouTube channel.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, so I'm just getting ready for bed now. So I'm going to be cleansing my face with MD Perricone cleanser. There, can you see that? It's got a little bit of fragrance in. It's not too harsh. It does lather up quite a lot though, a bit more than I'd like. And then when I'm not using this, I like to use the balm. Pro Collagen, Elemis Pro Collagen Balm. That's what I use when I'm not using this. I like to use a muslin cloth like this. Actually, it looks dirty, but it isn't dirty as such. It's just the Elemis balm is quite orange, so it can stain your muslin cloth. Believe me, it's not an absolutely filthy cloth, it is clean. It's the Elemis balm. I'm not dirty.
Mum, look at the state of this. What am I going to do?
Wear the white one.
The white one? I'll wash it myself.
Bye-bye.
And one last thing to let you know about the cleansing balm, it also doubles up as a mask. Don't you just love that?
Oh, great.
Scrub with the muslin cloth. There's a lot of scrubbing going on here. There's a lot of scrubbing going on here. I think I went a bit hard on the brush. Oh, feels smooth though. Feels smooth, probably because I haven't left any skin left. So that's the cleansing finished, and now I've got a choice really. I will be toning with La Roche-Posay, and then I can either use this serum or I can use the vitamin C serum, or I can use my retinol. And I think I'm gonna use the toner, and then I think I'm gonna go for the vitamin C tonight, because I shaved today and I've just scrubbed the hell out of my skin, so I think the retinol and this serum might be a little bit harsh for my skin tonight. Okay, so I like the fact that it's got no colouring in. Some of them, like it looks blue, but that's just the colour of the bottle. It comes out clear, which I love. It's got fragrance in there, which isn't brilliant, but you know. I'll let that sink in and then I'll put the vitamin C treatment on. Okay, so that's toning all finished. Now I'm going to put a treatment on the Pericone Vitamin C Ester 15% treatment with vitamin E tocotrienols. Yep. Whack that cream on. This cream actually dries like a powder, which is quite a weird texture, because you think it's never going to sink in, then all of a sudden, if you don't get it on quick enough, it goes like a dry powder. I've put far too much on. Oh my god. I think I squeezed a bit too much out. And they come in 4 handy tubes, so that you only open 1 tube at a time, and it keeps the shelf life longer. Oh my god, literally. Put your war paint on. And this is supposed to brighten your skin, even out the skin tone, good for age spots, discoloration. Oh my god, please, whatever you do, don't put this much on at home. I've literally just wasted so much of the oh my god, this is why I don't do actual beauty skincare videos. I prefer to just type it out so you can't see what I'm doing. Oh my god. I can give the advice, but I can't bloody take it. Oh, it's not so bad. I know it's going to dry like... Oh god, no, it's going to dry like talcum powder. Okay. I'll probably edit all of this out. I probably won't even post it. Doesn't look so bad if you stay there, just don't come any closer. Oh, no, I broke me bloody free Pericone bag's broken. Oh, it's now broke. It's because I've got too much stuff in it. Oh well, just gonna have to buy some more just so I can get another free bag. Hi guys, so I've cleansed my face with Pericone face wash. I've toned with La Roche-Posay toner. I've put Dr. Pericone's vitamin C 15% vitamin C ester treatment on my skin. As you saw, far too much went on, but it's kind of dried to quite a matte finish. It can go a bit flaky. All that's left to do now is to take my nighttime supplements, which are... I'll be taking 2 of my omega-3 fish oils. I'll be taking, that's for helping to hold in the water that you take throughout the day, replenishes the outer shell of your cell membrane, which is a fatty outer shell on your cell membrane, helps to counteract inflammation, so it'll be good for my psoriasis. It's good for brain function, it's good for depression because of the EPA and DHA. Helps to balance your mood chemicals in your brain. So yeah, I love omega-3, does so many things for you. Magnesium for stress relief and to help me relax. 2 of the boron, which I believe helps to metabolize the good testosterone and eliminates estrogen or bad estrogen. I'm not quite sure. I think that's what I remember. Glucosamine for hopefully building more collagen, and MSM for more elastin and collagen. I'm taking this, one of these bacteria, because it's got rhamnosus, which has been proven to help with skin conditions like psoriasis. Then I take my grapeseed complex, and then tomorrow morning I'll take all of this lot again, plus olive leaf and ginseng.
problem to deal with when it comes to supplementing with vitamin C is how much actually makes it to your cells as opposed to being flushed down the toilet. Vitamin C can have a big impact for your immune system, for your skin, for fighting tiredness and fatigue, but not if it just passes through your system. To combat this, we can wrap vitamin C at the nano level in something called liposomes. This is about making it easier for your cells to absorb vitamin C. So rather than it being lost or flushed away, you can actually benefit from it. Liposomes were first discovered in the 1960s by British scientist Alex Bangham. They were later adopted by the pharmaceutical industry as a way to deliver drugs for certain cancers and infectious diseases. To understand why scientists thought this was a good idea, we first need to understand why certain compounds are poorly absorbed by the cells, especially when taken in high doses. Vitamin C is water soluble, and any vitamin that's water soluble our bodies can't store. That means any vitamin C in the blood that isn't taken in and used by our cells easily passes into the urine and is excreted by the body. To maximise the benefit of a vitamin C supplement, our cells need to be able to cope with a large spike in blood vitamin C, absorbing as much as possible, as quickly as possible, before it passes into the urine. Unfortunately, our cells aren't designed to cope with a large spike in vitamin C. Our cell membranes, the walls that surround our cells, are fat-based. This is a big issue for water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C. Rather than passing straight through the membranes like fat-based vitamins do, vitamin C must go through specific protein channels instead. This makes it difficult for our cells to absorb large quantities of vitamin C within a short space of time. These specific protein channels are like bottlenecks for cell absorption, and as a result of this inefficient cell uptake, vitamin C gets flushed down the toilet. To overcome this inefficient uptake by the cells, we use liposomes. Liposomes are tiny vessels that can encapsulate vitamin C and other compounds at the nano level. A dual layer of phospholipids form a sphere with an aqueous core. This is where the vitamin C can be held shielded from the outside. Just like our cells, the vitamin C has been surrounded in a layer of fat. Because liposomes are made up of the same things that surround our cells, they easily merge with the cell membrane, crucially bypassing those restricted protein channels. This makes it easier for your cells to absorb vitamin C in that window of opportunity after the initial blood spike. That's why liposomal vitamin C has such a big impact. More vitamin C where your body needs it most, for your immune system, for your skin, and for fighting tiredness and fatigue.
Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sound comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got the shades on their eyes and they kill so high. We can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? We're playing with love tonight.
It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money.